హాయ్ అండి, వెల్కమ్ టు అమా వీడియోస్. కుసుమకుమారి ఎట్ కుసుమ 997. ఈరోజు మనం బృహదీశ్వర ఆలయానికి వెళ్దామండి. కార్తీక మాసం కదా, మరి లార్డ్ శివాన్ని దర్శించుకోవచ్చు. వచ్చేయండి, వీడియో చివరి దాకా చూడండి, మీ అభిప్రాయాన్ని తెలియజేయండి, సపోర్ట్ ఇస్తూ ఉండండి. మీ కుసుమ.
So we have come to one of the world's biggest temple, that is Brihadishwara Alayam, Tanjavur. So this is the main entrance Gopuram. So this is the road view of Brihadishwara Alayam, Tanjavur. Here we can see the back side of the big bull, the long view and the back view of the big bull. So here it is written in Tamil, Om Namah Shivaya, if I am not wrong. So the big bull backside. Brihadishwara Alayam, Tanjavur. The road view. So Brihadishwara Alayam, Tanjavur. Here we can see the big bull backside. Om Namah Shivaya. This is world's one of the biggest temples, and this is safeguarded by Archaeological Survey of India and also the Endowments Department of Government of Tamil Nadu. Huge and massive premises. This is the outside wall. Brihadishwara Alayam, Tanjavur. The beautiful sculpture. Which has been created thousands of years ago. Still today it is looking very fresh and very new. The maintenance of this temple by Archaeological Survey of India. They are doing marvelous job in safeguarding one of the world's biggest and also ancient temple, Brihadishwara Alayam, Tanjavur. Here we can see different pictures of various gods on this first Rajagopuram. So Brihadishwara Alayam, Tanjavur. Here we can see the big bull backside. Om Namah Shivaya. This is world's one of the biggest temples, and this is safeguarded by Archaeological Survey of India and also the Endowments Department of Government of Tamil Nadu. Huge and massive premises. This is the outside wall. So we have come nearer to the big bull. Almost we have come to the main temple, and here we can see the premises of Brihadiswara Alayam. And we can see here the sun god. Here we can see beautiful peacocks in the premises. The vehicle for Lord Subramanyeshwara. Here we can see two peacocks here. The long view of the peacock. So this is the long view of the second Rajagopuram, and here we can see the beautiful lawns in front of the Rajagopuram. Here we can see flowers, Nandivardhana flowers with a single petal. So this is the premises, temple premises, and this is the back view of the first Rajagopuram. And this is the second Rajagopuram. Slowly we are proceeding towards.
Like, share, comment and subscribe new viewers. మా వీడియోస్ కుసుమకుమారి @kusma 997 మరిన్ని మంచి వీడియోలకై చూస్తూనే ఉండండి. ఆల్ ఇన్ వన్ ఛానల్, స్పిరిచువల్, ఇంటెలెక్చువల్, కల్చరల్, ఫెస్టివల్ అండ్ ఎడ్యుకేషనల్ ఛానల్. థ్యాంక్ యూ ఫర్ ఆల్ ఫర్ సీయింగ్ and giving support to me. We will meet again in the next video. Keep watching my channel for good videos. Bye bye. Thank you.